Thank you for purchasing the Buzz TV experience. Now you got your box, the Buzz TV box. What do? Well, first of all, we're gonna unpack everything, and we just took everything out of the box. We laid it down so you can see what they are. So let's start from one direction. It actually comes with two batteries, the user manual. It's got a nice picture inside of the remote and what the remote does. The power. This plugs into the wall, and the other end plugs to the box. We have an HDMI, the HDMI wire. This is the one plugs into the box and to the TV. And then we have the remote, and then we have the box. So the Buzz box, let's turn it around. We can go through. This is for TFT. This is the TF, which is the small memory sticks you can buy. The small sticks that go into the cell phone, cameras, and also onto the TV box. If you have movies or shows, you can play it on the box. The box is also a player. It's got two USBs, so if you have USB movies or shows, you can plug it in and play it on the box. Next, we have AV, which is your audio visual. We have Ethernet, we have the HDMI, and we have the power. So basically, the power will go into this one. So you plug your power in. The HDMI, one end will go here. The other end will go at the back of your TV. So just try to remember when you plug at the back of the TV, some TVs have 2, 3, 4 HDMI ports. See if you could see which port it is at the back, so you know which one you have to set your input or source on your remote. If you don't know, it's fine. Just go on your remote, and most remote have input or it has source. And from that, it will toggle like PC, video, HDMI 1, HDMI 2. So try pressing on 1. No, you don't see anything. That's after you plug your box in and you turn the power on. Try 1, then try 2. Just wait a couple seconds once you switch to 1, HDMI 2, and see if you get a signal, and then 3, and then 4 or 5 or 6, and then after, one of those will pick up. So that's how you plug this box in. Now this is the Ethernet. If you have your modem from whatever internet company you have, if it's close to the box, then you can actually use, it's an RJ45 Ethernet internet cable. So you take that and then you plug it in here, and that's direct for internet from your internet provider to the TV box. That's actually the best option. But if it's too far, then you use Wi-Fi. And in Wi-Fi, basically there's an option when you boot up the box as Wi-Fi. So you go into Wi-Fi, and then you look for the internet company, whether it's Bell, Rogers, if it's Telcan, whatever company it is, their name will show up. So you show up, click on it, and then they give you an option to put in the Wi-Fi password. So the Wi-Fi password is the password that's with your internet company that gave you. Sometimes it's written on the actual box. It has the service, which could be like, say, Bell 105 or something, and then it's got your password. Make sure when you put your password in, if some letters are uppercase, it has to be uppercase. If it's lower, it has to be a lowercase. Because if you put them all as lower and uppercase, it's not going to work. It's specifically it's very case sensitive. So remember that. So you have Ethernet, direct, or you have the Wi-Fi. Then the last one, so let's see, we can just unplug this for now. But in your case, you're going to have it plugged in. The last one is your remote. Remote, the battery goes in here at the back. They gave you 2 batteries to start off with, and they're good battery energizer. Okay, so then your remote is very simple. We did a video you can watch next. So there's a video on setup, that's this one. There's a video on the buttons on the remote, and then there's a video after you go through the first 2 of how to use your box. Alright, thanks very much.